You must have heard a lot about vision boards with the new year just around the corner. But have you ever wondered about the facts behind them? In today's video, I'll break down the facts about vision board and help you decide if you should create one. Let's begin. Hi, I'm Anuhya and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. The past few years have been tough, especially in my career. As a Pisces, I'm deeply connected to energies and the planetary movements. One planetary event that's had a huge impact on me is Mercury retrograde. For those who don't know, Mercury retrograde is when the planet Mercury appears to move backward in the sky. Astrologically, it's known to cause confusions, delays, and miscommunications, especially in the areas like career, technology, and relationships. While it feels like progress is impossible during this time, it also gives us a chance to pause, reflect, and reset our goals. I realized that 2025 feels like a year of transformation for me, a fresh start filled with hope and possibilities. So I thought, why not create a vision board to gain clarity on my goals? A vision board is one of the quickest and easiest ways to manifest your dreams. But how does manifestation actually work? Let me explain. Manifestation is the belief that thoughts, feelings, and emotions can influence reality. When we visualize our dreams as if they are already achieved, our brain starts aligning our actions to make them come true. This happens because our brain doesn't differentiate between reality and imagination. For example, if I visualize myself as a successful content creator, my brain believes it's true and works to attract opportunities to align with that vision. This is the power of manifestation. Vision boards are rooted in psychology and neuroscience, and here's how they work. This part of your brain filters information and prioritizes what you focus on. When you frequently view your vision board, your brain identifies your goals as important and starts noticing opportunities in your environment. And here goes the famous example. Imagine you have decided to buy a red car. Suddenly, you start noticing red cars everywhere, on the road, in parking lots, and in ads. It's not that there are suddenly more red cars, but your brain, through the RAS, is now tuned to notice them because you have made them a priority. The same happens when you are clear about your goals. Your brain focuses on information and opportunities that help you achieve them. Studies show that mental imagery activates the same neural pathways as real life actions. Visualizing yourself succeeding helps your brain connect better with your goals, making you feel more motivated and determined. Our brain's biggest fear is stepping out of its comfort zone. Even when opportunities to achieve your dreams arise, your brain often signals them as threats, making you feel hesitant or anxious. Through visualization, you start to train your brain to be more comfortable with these opportunities and goals, reducing the panic response when they actually appear. This way, your mind becomes more open and ready to accept success. But remember, a vision board alone won't help you achieve your dreams. It must be paired with consistency and effort. Making a vision board is easier than you think. Here's how I did it for just 50 rupees. I wrote down all my goals and intentions on a paper, and my intention for this year is to step out of my comfort zone and use my creativity to the fullest, especially in my career. Also, I wrote down goals related to areas like health, beauty, habits, and personal growth. Using Pinterest, I searched for images that resonated with my intentions and downloaded them. Then I arranged these images in a Canva template and printed them on a sticker paper. And that's it, my vision board is ready. So I've combined 4 Canva templates here and I've labeled them. So I've added some of my favorite affirmations. You can see, you can be everything, I am safe, I can afford anything. I'm still deciding whether to stick it on a foam board or to keep it portable. Creating this vision board has already made me feel more positive and motivated about the future. I truly believe that 2025 is the year of new beginnings, and I hope it's the same for you. So grab some supplies, bring out your creativity, and make your own vision board. Remember, no dream is too big if you really believe in it. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's create a year full of possibilities together.